we are now undefeated within the Big South, which is really exciting for the team and for us as lunatics as well. Because of the energy that we provide as students, it lifts up the team and encourages them even more. It's so nice to see that the team really appreciates us being there and the bonds that we can form with them. Just the energy within the crowd was phenomenal. I joined as a freshman, and ever since then I've held a position within the organization. But me personally, I just feel like I've helped this organization grow so much, and seeing everybody come out and want to be a part of the student section is really heartwarming for me. I think we all have a lot of fun when we go to these games, and it just shows our support for the team and our school as well.